In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your GoDaddy website after publishing. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or just starting out, having the ability to update and optimize your website is crucial. Maybe you want to refresh your homepage with the latest promotions or fix a pesky typo hiding in plain sight. Regardless of the reason, you've come to the right place. First things first, let's dive into accessing your website. You'll need to log into your GoDaddy account. If it's been a while, no worries. Just make sure you have your account credentials handy. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Products section. This is essentially your dashboard, where all your hosted domains and products are listed. Here, you'll find a list of your websites. Look for the website you want to edit and click Manage. This step will direct you to the GoDaddy Website Builder dashboard, also known as your website's control panel. From the Website Builder dashboard, find and click on the Edit Site button. This action will open up your website in the editor mode. Now you're in the creative zone where all the magic happens. Everything you see on the page can be customized, allowing you the freedom to tailor each component to your audience's needs. In this view, your website is fully interactive, so click on any section you want to modify. Whether it's text, images, or layouts, you'll be able to make changes directly from there. Speaking of customization, you may want to adjust your site's theme or design. Look for the Theme tab in the Editor menu. Once you're in the Themes section, feel free to explore different design options. You have the flexibility to switch up colors, fonts, and overall layout to better align with your branding. It's a simple way to keep your site looking fresh and professional. After making changes, you'll want to preview your website to ensure everything looks just right. Click on the Preview button to take a look. Previewing gives you a chance to check the design and functionality across different devices and screen sizes. A quick tip here: always ensure your website is mobile-friendly, as a significant portion of web users will access your site via their smartphones or tablets. Once you're satisfied with the changes, return to the editor and look for the Publish button. Clicking this will apply your updates and make them live for the world to see. Don't worry too much if you make a mistake. GoDaddy allows you to roll back changes, which can be a lifesaver if you're experimenting or realize something isn't working as intended. And there you have it. Updating your GoDaddy website is a seamless process, and now you've got all the know-how to do it with confidence. Remember that the digital landscape is ever-changing, so keeping your site up to date is key to staying relevant and engaging with your audience effectively. Thank you for watching, and make sure to tune in for more tips and tricks on optimizing your website experience.